Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by checking iCloud and basic device controls so you don't chase symptoms. Open Settings and go straight to Safari. This is where you will clear history now. Tap Clear History and Website Data and confirm. This removes local history, cookies, and caches to free tracking entries. If the option works, you're done with the main step. Once done, make sure to check Settings Safari Advanced Website Data to remove any leftover site data manually. If Clear History is grayed out, Screen Time or iCloud syncing usually blocks it. Go to Settings Screen Time Content and Privacy Restrictions and either disable restrictions or allow Safari. Next, head to your Apple ID settings and toggle Safari off in iCloud. This breaks cross-device syncing, so local deletes take effect. Then return to Safari settings and clear history again. Removing iCloud sync prevents deleted records from reappearing from other devices. Make sure to re-enable desired settings afterward. After clearing and adjusting sync, restart your device to flush caches and relaunch Safari to verify deletion. If everything looks clear, sign back into iCloud and enable Safari only if you want synced browsing. Otherwise, leave it off. If history still appears, check other Apple devices signed into the same Apple ID, delete there, or sign out across devices. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset all settings will remove persistent configuration issues, but use that only if nothing else resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.